Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was arrested for driving intoxicated. Let's see here. I go to school for DUI, for a DUI that I had 2 months ago. And one weekend, I was arrested for smoking marijuana while driving. Okay, believe it or not, that's actually not a crime. It's an infraction. If you're just smoking marijuana while driving and you're not under the influence of marijuana, that would just be a violation of Vehicle Code Section 23222. It's an infraction. It's just a fine and nothing else. But if the police officer notes that you're driving weird, you're swerving, you're speeding up, slowing down, just driving erratically, well then at that point, the officer could surmise that the marijuana is impeding your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle, at which point you can get a marijuana DUI. Now that carries the same punishment, 6 months county jail, 6 months license suspension, as if it was with alcohol. Remember, DUI is not specifically alcohol, it's just driving under influence. It applies to any drug, marijuana, alcohol, cocaine, and so forth. Now here's the deal. Because you're on probation, since your previous DUI took place 2 months prior, or you were convicted 2 months prior and you were going to school, this would also be a violation of probation, which means you would be looking at a potential of 6 months county jail for the violation of probation for the first DUI. So not only are you going to have to deal with the violation of probation for your first DUI, you're also going to have to deal with your current DUI situation. So for a second DUI, you would actually be looking at a potential of 1 year in the county jail, plus an 18-month DUI school, plus a 2-year license suspension with the ability to obtain a restricted license after 1 year. So you need to be very careful with this second DUI, provided that you were under the influence of the marijuana. But if you were simply in possession of marijuana, smoking it, but you were not quite under the influence just yet, that would be an infraction, and it wouldn't even be a probation violation. So it really all depends. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was viewing pornography when children were present. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorney.